Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best bead ornament kit is probably one of the most delightful ways to infuse your holiday season with a personal touch. This kit offers a fantastic opportunity to unleash your creativity and craft unique, eye-catching ornaments that will undoubtedly become cherished keepsakes for years to come. Join me as we dive into this kit, exploring its contents, ease of use, and overall value, to determine if it's the perfect choice for your festive crafting endeavors. Number 5. Meland Fuse Beads Kit, 11,000 PCS. This amazing kit comes with everything you need for creative play. It includes 11,000 colorful beads in 36 different shades. They also have pegboards and accessories to get you started. With this kit, you can make unique 3D artwork. It's perfect for decorations or adorable accessories. It helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's an interactive game for kids and the whole family. It encourages kids to focus on crafts and let their creativity shine. It's great for sharing ideas and having fun together. These fuse beads are made with kid-safe, premium plastic. They are designed to melt without a strong plastic smell. This ensures your creations will last longer. This Meland craft kit is a fantastic gift idea for kids aged 5 to 12. It comes in a beautiful gift box, perfect for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of creativity. What we like. This kit offers a massive 11,000 beads in 36 vibrant colors, perfect for sparking creativity. It allows for 3D artwork, making it stand out from the rest. If you're looking for a fun and engaging activity to keep kids entertained and foster their artistic skills, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to make beautiful ornaments. The beads are high quality and the colors are vibrant. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 4. Solid Oak NC004 Snowflake Ornament Kit. This kit features sparkling, real crystal beads. They add a touch of elegance and shimmer to any ornament. You'll love how they catch the light. The kit also includes gleaming, jewelry-quality glass pearls. These pearls provide a classic look. It's a perfect combination of sparkle and sophistication. Inside, you'll find preformed, hardened wire snowflake forms. These forms make it easy to create beautiful ornaments. They provide the perfect base for your design. The kit comes with clear, illustrated instructions. They guide you through every step of the process. You'll be able to create stunning ornaments with ease. With this kit, you can create your own unique ornaments. It's a fun and rewarding project for all ages. Enjoy the process of crafting something beautiful. What we like. This kit uses real crystal beads and jewelry-quality glass pearls for a premium look. It includes preformed wire snowflake forms, making it easy to create beautiful ornaments. If you appreciate elegance and want to add a touch of sparkle to your holiday decorations, this kit is ideal. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to make beautiful ornaments. The beads are high quality and come in a variety of colors and sizes. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 3. Solid Oak Christmas Ornament Kit, NCO24. Looking for a fun holiday project? This kit has everything you need to create beautiful ornaments. It's a great way to add a touch of handmade charm to your Christmas tree. With this kit, you can make between 4 and 8 beaded ornaments. The package is 6 by 6.5 inches, and it includes all the materials you'll need. It's perfect for sharing with friends and family. The kit comes in a variety of designs, so you can choose the ones that best fit your style. Each one is sold separately, allowing you to collect your favorites. Get ready to enjoy crafting. This kit is imported, ensuring quality materials for your crafting. It's a delightful way to create lasting holiday memories. Get yours today and start creating. This Solid Oak kit brings a touch of nostalgic Christmas charm. It's easy to create beautiful beaded crystal ornaments. This is a perfect addition to your holiday decorations. What we like. This kit allows you to create multiple ornaments with a variety of designs. It embodies a nostalgic Christmas theme, bringing a classic feel to your holiday decor. If you enjoy traditional holiday crafts and want to make multiple ornaments, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to make beautiful ornaments. The beads are high quality and the colors are vibrant. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 2. Solid Oak NC002 Snowflake Ornament Kit. This kit features sparkling, real crystal beads. They add a touch of elegance and brilliance to the finished ornament. You'll love how they catch the light. Also included are gleaming, jewelry-quality glass pearls. These pearls provide a classic look. It's a perfect complement to the crystals. The kit includes preformed, hardened wire snowflake forms. These forms make it easy to create beautiful ornaments. They provide the perfect structure for your design. Clear, illustrated instructions are provided. They guide you through each step of the process. You'll find it easy and enjoyable to create your own unique ornaments. The ruby color adds a touch of warmth and sophistication. It's a beautiful choice for the holiday season. This kit will make your decorations stand out. What we like. This kit uses real crystal beads and jewelry-quality glass pearls for a premium look. It includes preformed wire snowflake forms, making it easy to create beautiful ornaments. If you appreciate elegance and want to add a touch of sparkle to your holiday decorations, this kit is ideal. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to make beautiful ornaments. The beads are high quality and the colors are vibrant. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 1. The Beadery Mini Snowflakes Ornament Kit. Looking for a fun holiday craft? This beaded ornament kit is perfect for creating beautiful decorations. It's a great way to add a personal touch to your holiday decor. This kit allows you to make 24 unique ornaments. It's a fantastic project for individuals or groups, providing plenty of festive creations. Everything you need is included in this kit. It's designed to be easy and enjoyable, making the crafting process simple and fun. The kit is compact and easy to store. It's a convenient size for any craft space, ensuring it's easy to manage. This product is proudly made in the United States. You can feel good about supporting American craftsmanship with this purchase. What we like. This kit is an all-inclusive kit that allows you to create 24 mini snowflake ornaments. It is perfect for mass production and decorating your entire home. If you want to create a large number of ornaments quickly and easily, this kit is a great option. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to make beautiful ornaments. The beads are high quality and the colors are vibrant. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.